just wanted to say a few words about Matt Easton's sales coaching. Absolutely phenomenal, phenomenal stuff. Prior to coming across Matt's material, I had been exposed to sales training in the past, and most of it didn't really sit comfortably with me, but simply because it was all based on hard selling, effectively sort of manipulating your prospect into buying from you. That didn't sit comfortably with me, didn't resonate. And coming across Matt's material, that was a complete breath of fresh air. And the great thing I like about Matt's approach is that it's all about articulating the value of the service that you offer, the value of the product that you offer, and how it specifically meets the needs of the prospect. And he has some really clever insights as to how, in terms of positioning, tonality, delivery, etc. All of which makes the whole, if you like, selling process frictionless, comfortable, makes a prospect glad to buy, which obviously is really, really important. And of course, it sits comfortably with me. So if you're looking for sales coaching, then I can't recommend Matt Easton's material highly enough. It really, really is good stuff. And Matt, thank you.